Hi friends, my name is Sarita and I welcome you to my channel Quest, a journey to simple life. Today, finance is considered to be the most important part of any organization. With the growing demand in the market of finance applicants, the job scope is also increasing. After BCom, a lot of candidates look for options as to which field of finance they should do their careers. So now I will make your life simpler by telling you the most valuable courses that you can opt after graduation in commerce. So now let's see which are these courses. The first option is Chartered Accountancy. CA is one of the most common courses that a commerce graduate opts for in his career. CA comprises of 3 stages: CPT, IPCC and CA finals. You need to clear all these 3 stages to become CA. The course duration is 3 years and after that you can plan your internship or directly apply for a job. The best part is here either you can start your own CA firm or work in a company at much better role and good package. Second is Company Secretary. CS is one of the important role related to any organization. Company Secretary is related to managing the company tax of the organization and it takes care of the legal part of any organization. This course is also 3-year long and it consists of 3 stages: foundation, intermediate and finals. To become CS, you need to be strong with corporate laws too. The third option is Masters of Business Administration into Finance, also known as MBA. This is one of the best options that you can opt after graduation. In this, you need to give CAT exam and once you clear the exam, depending on the scores, you get admission in respective colleges. It's always good to do full-time MBA courses. It adds more value to your profile and helps you get good opportunities in financial sector. The fourth option is Chartered Financial Analyst, that is CFA. The Chartered Financial Analyst is a globally recognized certification offered by CFA Institute. The CFA course duration is 2.5 years. This course offers wide range of options and is considered to be one of the best course after BCom. As the CFA is considered to be the top notch in the industry, they are recruited by the top players in the market. So the job scope not only increases but the packages and the role offered is also amazing. The fifth option is Certified Management Accountant CMA. The Certified Management Accountant is another globally acknowledged professional certification offered by the Institute of Management Accountants in the USA. In this exam, you need to clear 2 stages of certification and you should have minimum 2 to 3 years of finance experience. It helps you to gain expertise in management and financial accounting, so in short, it helps you to get jobs abroad. The sixth option is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants ACCA. This is another option for commerce students and it is one of the most popular courses in many countries. You need to clear total 14 papers to clear this exam and once you are certified, you get wide range of options in any MNC for jobs. The seventh option is Certified Financial Planner. Certified Financial Planner is also one of the best courses after graduation. Once you are certified, you gain expertise in financial planning. The financial planners are responsible for giving investment, insurance, tax and financial advice to his customer or client. So in short, this profile too is in huge demand in the market. The eighth option is Master of Commerce. The MCom or Master degree is also one of the options after graduation. Postgraduate degree definitely helps. It's 2 years long course and helps you gain the mastery over the subject. Once you are done with the course, you can apply for BFSI sector's job and plan your career to get into accounts and finance roles. So in short, these are the 8 options that you can opt for after completing your graduation into commerce. I hope this information was helpful. To the viewers, I am mentioning the detailed course link in the description box below for your reference. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.